Hey there! Struggling with keeping your household chores organized? Want a simple way to ensure everyone knows their tasks and keeps your home running smoothly? Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a personalized, easy-to-follow household chores schedule for an entire month. Whether you're juggling a busy family life or just want to streamline your household management, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, let's look at the prompt we'll be using to generate our schedule. I've prepared a template that you'll need to fill in with your family's details. Here's how it works. Start by filling in the details about your family. For instance, if you have a family of 4, including 2 adults, 1 senior, and 1 child, you would replace the placeholders accordingly. Here's an example. Let's say our family has 4 members, 2 adults, 1 senior, and 1 child. We also need to specify any disabilities and the type of dwelling. Next, we fill out the living space details. For instance, if you live in a house with a garden, you'll include that information, including the size and any specific garden tasks. Now, let's move on to the chores. List out all the daily, weekly, and monthly chores your household needs. You can also include chores that need to be done every 3 days or any other frequency that suits your needs. With our chores listed, it's time to assign them. This is where you consider the age, ability, and any disabilities of each family member to ensure that each person has a manageable workload. Let's take an example family member. If we have a 12-year-old who can handle daily chores like feeding the pet and tidying up their room, make sure to list these appropriately. For adults and seniors, assign tasks that fit their capabilities or leave it blank and ChatGPT will assign it. Once you have all the details filled in, you can copy and paste the completed prompt into ChatGPT and it will generate your customized chore schedule. Here's an example of what the final output might look like. And that's it. You now have a personalized chore schedule for your family. This method helps ensure that chores are evenly distributed and manageable for everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this.